Hi, it's Chris here. Today we're going to be installing a Phoenix Vivid Slimline tail rail. We've laid all the components out here on the table that we'll be using. It comes with two types of fixings, which is masonry and for plasterboard. This product also has a unique mounting boss, which makes installation very easy and it allows for an adjustment to match up to your screw holes. One of the most important things is to check which product you have in order to mark out your holes correctly. Today we're using a 600mm long tail rail. Using our spirit level and tape measure, we'll now be marking our holes out for drilling. Before drilling our 6mm holes, we'll now use our measuring tape to confirm the distance between our 2 points. Okay, we're now ready to drill our 6mm holes. Now that our holes are drilled, we'll prepare our mounting pillars. We'll do this by placing the O-ring in the top groove, ensuring that it's pushed firmly all the way down. We'll then grab our mounting boss and be placing it inside the pillar. We're now ready to mount the pillar to the wall. Insert the rail into the first pillar, ensuring that it is firmly pressed home. We will then place the second pillar on, insert the screw. We've left this screw slightly loose, as we'll now be able to put our level on to check if it is straight. And as it's not, we'll be able to use the mounting boss adjustment to swivel around until the rail is level. Now that's level, we will tighten the screws firmly. Finally, we'll adjust the tail rail arm to centre and then simply place the end caps on by pushing it on firmly. And there you have it. We've installed our Vivid Slimline tail rail. Thanks for watching.